Hello, dear student. I am Professor Sakir Chaudhary. Today, I will discuss a new topic, linear differential equation with constant coefficient. This is the very important topic for the student BTech, BSc, BBA, BCA, and MCA student. It's very important topic. Okay, for other competitive examination, this is very important topic. Okay, linear differential equation. Linear linear differential equation with constant coefficient with constant coefficients with constant coefficient. This is a very important topic, linear differential equation with constant coefficient. The differential equation in the short form f dy is equal to q, where q is the function of x constant term only, right? This is the linear differential equation with constant. This is the short form of the differential equation. My problem 7, the problem 7 in this topic, or this is the first problem. Okay, this is the first problem of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential solve the differential equation solve the differential equation. My question is b minus 2 whole square y is equal to 8 e power 2x plus x square plus sine 2x. Sine 2x. This is the trigonometric function sine 2x, algebraic function x square e to power 2x, and it is the constant term multiply. Okay, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. This is the differential equation. Solve the differential equation, or the given differential equation can be written as d square minus 4d plus 4y equal to 8 e power 2x plus x square plus sine 2x. Okay, this is the complete question, or the given differential equation can be written as, right? This is the question. Solution of this differential equation. Solution the differential equation y equal to cf plus pi. Okay, first this is the complete solution of the given differential equation. Y is equal to cf plus pi. Cf is the complementary function and p is the particular integral. First of all, we will calculate the complementary function, and complementary function means cf. Okay, find cf, that means find out the auxiliary equation. Okay, find cf find CF, that means complementary function. Find CF, that means find the complete auxiliary equation. First of all, we will calculate the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation, we will calculate the auxiliary equation. That means when we will find the auxiliary equation equating to right hand side 0, y replaced by 1 and d replaced by m. Okay, ओके, ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन इक्वेटिंग टू राइट हैंड साइड 0, यानी कि राइट हैंड साइड को 0 पुट करेंगे, y रिप्लेस बाय 1 and d replaced by m. Both are same. D minus 2 whole square and d square minus 4d plus 4, both are same. Okay, that means the auxiliary equation here in this case, auxiliary equation m minus 2 whole square equals to 0. Okay, this is the differential equation. That means here equating to right hand side 0, y replaced by 1 and d replaced by m. That means this is the auxiliary equation. Calculate the root. Calculate root, that implies m minus 2 and m minus 2 equal to 0, because here m minus 2 power is 2, that means we can write m minus 2 equal to 0. That means here we can say that this is 2 2. Answer is 2 2. That means two roots are equal or two roots are repeated. In this case, two roots are repeated and two roots are equal. Okay, this is the very important. when in this case the linear differential with constant coefficient and find the complementary function when two roots are repeated. The formula in this case CF when two roots are repeated, that means that is two roots are repeated, m1 equal to m2. Okay, the formula of CF equal to c1 plus c2x and e to the power m1x, yeah, m2x, because here m1 m2 both are same, that means 2 equal to 2. Two roots are repeated, this is the formula of CF. That means the complementary function c1 plus c2x and e to the power 2x. This is the complementary function. Okay, right? The first part of this question, y equal to CF plus pi, that means CF equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power 2x. This is the formula when two roots are equal, the complementary function is complete. Okay, the next part of my question is the right hand side, right? Find the particular integral. The second part of this question, okay, my dear students, second part of this question we can write here. The second part here and down, CF means C1 plus C2x and e to the power 2x. This is the CF, and now find the PI, particular integral. Particular integral of this question, PI means 1 upon half d into q, right? Clear? Q means this is the right hand side of the question. Question is, that means this is the question, d minus 2 whole square y equal to 8 times x square e to the power 2x plus sine 2x plus x square. This is the right hand side. We will calculate the pi with the help of right hand side. Q is the function of x. X means q is the right hand side of this question. This is the value of q. This is the q. Okay, that means convert in this form. Particular integral here fd into q. Q means this is equation 8 times e to the power 2x plus sine 2x, and this is x square. This is the particular integral. That means pi here in this case, that means e to the power 2x. Put the whole values in this and multiply by 8. Okay, here first of all calculate e to the power 2x, after that sine 2x, and after that x square, and whole answer multiply by 8, right? That means here e to the power 2x and d minus 2 whole square plus second part here in this types 8 times is this, and this is sine 2x by d square d minus 2 का whole square, and next x square d minus 2 whole square. This is complete portion of this is the particular integral. Okay, and you can write d minus 2 whole square d square minus 4d plus 4. This is again, okay, first of all this is simply write down the suppose equation 1 or part of this is the p1, this is the particular integral p, or equation first, you can say that. So first of all we will calculate the part this, that means here p particular integral, or this is the p1 means part first particular integral, that means e to the power 2x upon d minus 2 whole square. Okay, when in the right the case particular integral when 1 upon half d and e to the power ax means e to the power ax upon fa. This is the solution. Find the particular integral provided that but condition fa not equal to 0. लेकिन ये हमारा वैल्यू 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. If possibility, if fa equal to 0, that means case fail. Case fail is this is the case fail. Okay, that means next part when case fail, that means here multiply by x e power ax upon f dash a. This is the derivative, and again condition f dash a not equal to 0. ये 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, So this is the theory of this part. Apply here this case. Put the coefficient of x replaced by d. That means here e power 2x upon 2 minus 2 all square. That means 2 minus 2 is 0. That means case failed. In this case, case failed. My dear student, here case fail. That means apply here f equal to 0. In this case, that means differentiate and multiply by x. That means equal to multiply by x and e की power 2x, and again derivative you can write this form. My dear student, d minus 2 whole square equal to d square minus 4d plus 4. You can write here, that means this is the meaning. Suppose you can differentiate here, okay, that means this is the derivative of 2d, this is the derivative of 2d and minus 4, or you can put here same condition is this, okay, the differentiation d square means 2d and 4d means 4. Again put the coefficient of x 2 here, x e to the power 2x, 2 into 2 minus 4, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 4, this is value is again 0. That means the case fail. Okay, again condition that case fail, and again multiply by x and again differentiation, again differentiation. That means here multiply by again multiply by x square e to the power x, and again derivative, the first derivative is 2d minus 4, and again differentiation in this case, that means 2d, the derivative 2d is 2 and minus 4 differential, it will be equal to 0. Again here differentiation connect this case. Again the second derivative, first derivative is 2d, that means here first derivative and second derivative is 2. This is the differentiation. Please check carefully. This is the derivative, first derivative. You can write this is, suppose y equal to this. This is the first derivative and y2 means second derivative. This is the first derivative and this is second derivative. That means here the final answer is, this is the final answer. Differentiation after derivative is x square e to the power x upon 2. This is the first particular integral, यानी कि in the respect of e to the power x, this is the derivative. Okay, this is the first derivative. First, according to this, right? Clear. Next part, so the second part here. In the case of second part, my dear student, this is the first part, and the solution in the first part we can write the solution x square e to the power 2x, and this is 2, the first part. Now we will solve the second part, right? This is the second part. We will solve the second part is, this is the particular integral p2, and this is the third part, particular integral p3, right? Now first part, now second part p2, that means particular integral this, and this is, we can say that complete here, put in the equation first, and this is the first answer is this, and particular integral next second part is the result. In the case of particular integral means f d square sine 2x. This is the second part. This is the your ax plus b. Okay, you can write d square particular integral f d square sine ax plus b. This is the second part. That means here in this case, in the case the here is d square minus 4d plus 4. The second part is sine 2x. Okay, the here is the concept is the exponential, here is this is the simple function is d square or sine ax plus b. Okay, my dear student, in this case put f square minus a square. In the case of trigonometric function, here f minus a square, यानी कि put d square equal to minus a square, right? Suppose here this, and again the condition f minus a square not equal to 0. Okay, minus a square. Suppose this is again the condition is minus a square fail. That means again multiply by this x, and this is sine ax plus b, and the condition is derivative minus a square not equal to 0. A not equal to same condition in the case of exponential, same condition of the trigonometric function. Okay, my dear student, this is the concept is clear. Okay, next, this is the theory. Now this is apply here, put d square equal to minus a square, yani ke put in this case put d square equal to minus 2 square, only d square, not put d. That means here is sine 2x divided by minus 2 square, minus 2 square minus 4d, and this is plus 4. That means this is here sine 2x upon d square minus 4 minus 4d, and this is plus 4, or minus 4 plus 4 cancel, and this is sine 2x upon minus 4d, right? That means here in this case d here represent d means d by dx, and 1 upon d represent the integration with respect to x. That means here sine 2x 1 upon d, that means this is the integration. That means here my dear student minus 1 by 4, that means 1 upon d means this is the integration sine 2x. Okay, sine 2x sine integration minus cos, that means minus 1 by 4, that means minus 1 by 4 sine integration minus cos, that is plus cos 2x upon 2. This is sine integration minus cos, this is minus already, minus minus plus sine integration minus cos 2x, and this is finally 1 by 8 cos 2x. This is the answer. Okay, this is the particular integral P2, or in the case of trigonometric function sine 2x, this is the particular. And the third part of this question is the very important case, and this is the very important question. That means here is the next particular integral is plus 1 by 8 particular integration of second cos 2x. Okay, next case is x square with respect to x. Again find the particular integral. Particular integral. Next question is pi particular integral case. In the case here particular integral fd into q, that means 1 upon d minus 2 whole square, or d square minus 4d plus 4 is the value of x square. This is the second degree polynomial. Again these terms already theory discussed in the other video. That means this is the algebraic function, and this is here my dear student convert these terms is 1 plus minus terms 5d power minus 1. That means we convert this formula 1 minus d whole power minus 1, use the binomial theorem 1 plus d square plus d cube and plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is the formula. This is you can write this term, this is the basic convert this form in this 5d means that is this is the d and expansion this, that means here particular integral convert in this case, that means here p3 is third particular integral in the case of algebraic function 1 upon d square minus 4d plus 4. Here this is the second type this, and this is the value, this is the theory of this is applied in the case. That means my dear student explain this term is here take common, or you can write 4 minus 4d plus d square, and this is x square. Take common 1 by 4, 1 by 4 common, 1 upon 1 minus this is d and plus d square by 4. Take common, and this is x square, right? This is the very important topic. Take common 4, that means minus d plus d square, and apply this expansion here. My dear student, take the value here Expand, this is the value of this formula, means 1 by 4 here, 1 minus d minus d square by 4, d square by 4, and this is whole power minus 1 x square. Please check, when take common negative sign inside the bracket sign is changed. Again open this bracket, so minus d plus d square by 4. That means this is the same expansion. This is the whole value is d. That means expansion this form 1 minus d. That means 1 plus d. D minus d square by 4, total is whole d. Okay, expand this term, that means equal to 1 by 4. Please check carefully, 1 plus d, 1 plus d according the formula, this is here the positive sign and that is d. That means d means d minus d square by 4. This is whole d. Okay, this term, and this is the equation of quadratic. Okay, that means again is this whole square. That means d square. D square means here d minus d square by 4 whole square. You can write d square plus d square, means that means d power 4 by 16 and minus 2d cube by 4. This is the third derivative, this is the fourth derivative, and this is the second derivative. Suppose a polynomial is y square equal to x square. First derivative is 2x and double derivative is 2. And my dear student, third derivative will be equal to 0. Please check carefully here. That means suppose a polynomial is by here x square. First derivative 2x, second derivative. In this case, I am saying that means d square value is 2, because d square means second derivative. That here we can write, that means the next term d plus d square plus d square, this is the value. That means this is the value, means here plus d square plus d power 4 by 16 and minus 2d cube by 4, and this is here x square. My dear student, please check carefully, all term here available, and that means here d square d, that whole are differentiation here. That means value is equal to 1 by 4 here. First means multiply by this or operating this, x means value is x square. D means differentiation d by dx. Here the d means d by dx, or this is y dash first derivative. D first derivative is value 2x. My dear student, this is the value of 2x. Okay, next d square by 4, minus sign available here, d dash, d square means d double dash, means value is available 2. This is 1 by 4 and its value is available minus 2 plus d square, again plus d square means second derivative plus 2, and higher derivative fourth derivative यानी कि fourth differentiation 0, third derivative again 0, the differentiation 4 times 0. That means here is the value 0 and this is all value will be equal to 0. Okay, that means this is the complete solution and this is solved. This, that means here 1 by 2 is cancelled. That means this is 1 by 4 x square plus 2x, and this is simple value is here 1 by 2 minus and plus 2. Okay, this is the particular integral pi with respect to x square. That means this is the complete solution of this, is what is the value here. That means the solution of the complete here, the particular integral, that means is plus 1 by 4. This is the value with respect to x square plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 bracket is x square plus 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 2. Okay, this is the particular integral whole question, and that means final answer particular integral and CF particular complementary function. My dear student, the whole solution y is equal to CF plus pi. Complete solution of this question, and you can solve. This is final 2 minus 1 by 2 Take LCM 2, that means 4 minus 1, that is value is 3 by 2. Whole value you can write 3 by 2, that is the complementary function y is equal to CF is equal to C1 plus C2x and e to the power 2x. This is the complementary function, and with respect to particular integral, plus 8 times this is constant term x square e to the power 2x by 2 plus 1 by 8 cos 2x with respect to x trigonometric function, and plus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 4 x square 2x, and this is whole value is plus 3 by 2. This is the complete solution y is equal to CF plus PI. That means this is the very important question. This is d square minus t minus 2 whole square y equal to 8 times e की power 2x plus sin 2x plus x square. This is the very important question. Okay, my dear student, this is the very important question in the case of multiplication. Again, this is the very important. I will solve this is e की power 2x into sin 2x into x square in the next video. Okay, thank you.